Just regular green grass again. Where are all the colorful flowers?
Guys, look at this. This simple kids cartoon channel is getting thousands, even millions of views without showing a face, without complex production. And the crazy part, most of these videos follow a very simple animation style, but they still generate consistent views, subscribers, and revenue. Now here's the question. What if you could create the same kind of videos without animation skills, without a team, and without spending weeks on production? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using OiiOii. We'll take one simple idea and turn it into a complete kids animation, step by step. Creating cinematic animations sounds exciting until you actually try doing it. You jump between tools, struggle with assets, fix broken scenes, and spend hours just trying to get one shot to look right. And even then, things don't stay consistent. That's why most AI animation tools feel frustrating. You type something, hit generate, and hope it works. But what if instead of guessing, you could actually control every part of the process like a director? From story to characters, to scenes, to final output, all inside one system. That's exactly what OiiOii.AI is built for. It's not just another AI generator. It's a complete animation workflow powered by multiple AI agents working together, turning a single idea into a structured, cinematic result. In this video, I'll show you how I took one simple concept and turned it into a full animated kids scene, step by step. Let's start step by step so you can follow along easily. First, open the tool using the link in the description. As soon as the page loads, you'll see a simple workspace with a chat box in the center. This is where everything happens. Step 1. Click on the chat box. Now, type your first idea. We'll start simple so you understand the workflow clearly. Type a cute 3D cartoon robot. Big glowing eyes, soft round body, pastel colors, clean design, friendly expression, simple background. Now, move to styles. Click on the styles section. And from here, choose a cartoon style look. You'll see multiple options. Just pick one that looks soft and animated. Once selected, click Generate. Now, wait a few seconds. You'll see your result appear on the screen. This is your base output. Step 2. We improve it. Click back into the chat box. Now type. Turn this into a short animation. Add blinking eyes, slight body movement, smooth loop, soft lighting. Hit Generate again. Now, notice something important. It doesn't start from zero. It builds on your previous result. That means you're not restarting. You're upgrading. Step 3. Place it into a scene. Go back to the chat box and type. Place this character in a cozy room, warm lighting, small desk, plants, soft shadows, cinematic angle, generate again. Now your character is no longer alone, it's inside a full scene. If you want to fix anything, you don't need to redo everything. Just select the area you want to change, adjust it, and regenerate only that part. This is done using the custom canvas feature, which lets you edit specific sections without restarting everything. That's how you keep everything consistent. Now step 4. Let's switch style completely. Go back to the chat box. This time type kids cartoon animation, happy cows walking in green hills, bright sunny day, blue sky, soft clouds, colorful flowers, playful atmosphere, cows smiling and jumping, smooth animation, wide camera, cheerful mood, storybook style. Now choose a bright, colorful cartoon style from the Styles section. Then click Generate. Now, you'll see a completely different vibe.
Just regular green grass again. Where are all the colorful flowers?
A full kids-friendly animated scene. Soft colors, happy characters, and a playful environment. Simple idea, fully alive animation. And this is where things get interesting. This type of content works extremely well on platforms like YouTube, especially for kids animation channel, because these videos are simple, repeatable, and highly engaging. You can post consistently, build an audience, and turn it into a monetized channel. And timing-wise, this is even more powerful. With upcoming events like Mother's Day and Children's Day, kids-focused content starts trending even more, which means more views, more reach, and more opportunity to grow fast. So instead of just watching content, you can actually start creating your own channel. If you want to try this yourself, check the link in the description. You'll also get bonus credits to start right away. Start simple, stay consistent, and turn this into something bigger.